Good afternoon, students. Let us continue our chapter pronouns. So we have already discussed about personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, which pronouns we should use in the subject part and which pronouns we should use in the predicate part. That already we have discussed. Now today we will discuss about some pronouns like where, what, how. Already there in your book. These three: where, what, how. So these pronouns, basically we know them as relative pronouns. Why? Because they actually replaced a noun which is already mentioned in the sentence. Okay, and another, they are acting like a conjunction. They are joining the sentences. Okay, they are used to join the sentences. What I said, they already replace the noun what is already mentioned there in the sentence. And another what? They are actually used to act as a conjunction or join a sentences. Like one example I am giving you, see that this is where we go every day. See, this is where we go every day. So two sentences are there. This is the place, means where is replacing the place, and we go every day. Is it clear? We go every day. So this is acting as a conjunction first, and it is already replaced a noun which is already present in the sentence. Is it? The place. So this is a place where we go every day, and this is where we go every day. So it is acting like a conjunction. It is joining two sentences together. Is it? So this is where we are using to talk about places. Where always we are using to talk about places. To talk about places. What? We are using to talk about things. To talk about things. To talk about things. How we are using to talk about the way in which we are doing something. How to talk about the way in which we do something. Okay, how we are doing the things. How we can solve anything. So how we are doing the things, that if anything tell us, that is how. So it is how is talk about the way in which we do something. Okay, I'm not writing that one. You will get it in your book already. So what I said, these three pronouns we are using first where to talk about some places, what to talk about some things, how to talk about the way in which we do something. Okay, and these three pronouns actually basically known as relative pronoun. Why? Because they are replacing a noun which is already present in the sentence, and another what? They are acting like a conjunction, means to join sentences or clauses. Okay, sentences for you, clauses not more now. Sentences to join. And I have given example like this. This is where we go every day. Now two sentences are there. This is a place we go every day. The place is replaced by where. So it is replacing our noun, place, and it is acting as a conjunction, means joining two sentences. Is it? Where. So these are the two things, two rules it is following. Okay. Now in your book, 2-3 exercises are given. Let us just do that one. So it will be clarified to you. Okay. What is this? Exercise 1 is just jumbled here. Okay. We have to arrange in a sentence. Let us write. First one already done. Number 2, let us write once. What is there? Doesn't how he play the no piano too. See, it is totally jumbled. We have to just arrange. So let's see. First we'll bring the subject he. It is number 2 will be he, then doesn't, as he is there, so third person singular will get 2 sentences we have to find out. First, that play and no piano. Something is that he don't know play and the piano. So 2 parts are there. So 2 parts will join with the relative one. What is there here? Relative is how. So first only we find out here with the how we have to make the sentence. Okay. So first, he doesn't know. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. After that only we have to join the other part. So we'll replace how. Doesn't know how to play the piano. How to play the piano. To play the piano. Full stop. Number 3. Sarah knows what is the answer. Okay. Sarah knows what is the answer. Sarah knows what is the answer. Okay. Number 4. Philip has forgotten how to speak English. What is number 4? Philip has forgotten how to speak English. Philip has forgotten how to speak English. Okay. Number 5. Jack knows where we live. Clear? Jack knows where we live. Jack knows where we live. Okay. Like this only. So already I have written all the answers. You just follow it and write it down in your copy. Clear? After that, exercise 2, nothing you have to do in your book, only you just stick out the correct one. Means which one to put, where, what or how. Clear? So first one, Stephen knows, see already one tick is given here. Stephen knows how to cook eggs. Number 2, do they know where the bus stop is? Where? Take in the where. Felix forgot where he left his shoes. Where? I know what we can do tomorrow. I know what we can do tomorrow. Do you know how to speak English? How? Number 6. He knows where the park is. He knows where the park is. Now, 1 and 2 I said already the answers. You follow and write it down in your copy. Number 3 will be homework. Here your own sentences you have to prepare. First part has given I know where, then you will prepare I know how, then also you will prepare I know what, then you will prepare. Okay, so just prepare your sentences. This one will be the homework. Write it down in your copy along with exercise 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the last part of pronoun we have discussed, along with all the pronouns, personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, how to use pronouns in subject and predicate part. After that, this relative. Only 3 are given in your book. So only 3 we have discussed. Clear? Now, one more we will just discuss this chapter with the exercises. I'll start from first again, the personal pronouns. Okay, with some worksheets already I have given, you have done hopefully. That exercises once more I will discuss, and another exercises I will give so that it will be clarified. Pronoun, it is not so easy to understand, possessive, personal, relative altogether. Okay, so 2-3 more classes we need to understand it properly. So this much today. Thank you class.